treated like a brother or a sister or a friend, and everybody helped each other out. We created our own kind of trachea out of, bits of things we found in the classroom, popsicle sticks, and we did an acting, like you'd act out a scene with a scenario with the children and a behavior problem, kid flipping a chair or whatever. We would go outside sometimes and write our notes. My teacher, I still keep in close contact with her, and if I ever need anything now that I have this position, I know she's always there for me. What I like most about being an education assistant is that it's different every day. There's always something going on or not going on, but and then having these wonderful, pure hearts to work with and be able to be a part of their growing up.